Hey you guys, it's Kristen. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a quick video, you guys, because I want to show you guys a quick little run deal at Walgreens, which is making where you can get some Shea moisture not only free but free plus a money maker. I want to give a shout out to Bree the coupon queen because I did see this on her page, so thank you so much. What makes it free, you guys, are rebate apps. We have Checkout 51 as well as Swagbucks. Both of them currently have rebate on Shea moisture products. So the first thing I'm going to talk about, oh yeah, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell down below. So the first thing that you guys are going to want to pick up are these mud masks. They're 30% off this week, so they are priced at just $2.09. So you're going to pick up 3 if they have them, but for one, you'll pick up one for $2.09. You're gonna get back $2 for Checkout 51, as well as $2 from Swagbucks, so that's a total of $4, making it free plus a $1.91 moneymaker. Now you can do this deal up to 3 times, so that means each product would be free plus a $1.91 moneymaker. That is we're already starting off good now. So I'm just gonna pick up 3 of these and then move on. So then the next thing I want to talk about are for the hair care, the curl enhancing smoothies. They're priced at $3.99. So you want to buy one at $3.99, and then Checkout 51 is giving you $2, as well as Swagbucks is giving you $2, making it free plus a penny money maker, but it's still free and it's still a money maker nonetheless. And you can do this deal 3 times. So I'm only going to be doing this deal twice because my store only has 2. And then the last thing that I'm going to talk about is for facial care. So the it's for any of the body care, but the cheapest thing they have here at Walgreens are the soaps, and they're also buy one get one 50% off. So you're going to pick up 2 of the soaps priced at $5.59. So one is going to be $5.59 and the other one's going to be $2.98. I wouldn't do this deal 3 times because the third one is going to be full price, and it doesn't really seem like the best route. I mean, you can if you want to, but just throwing that out there. So with 2, that's going to total out to $8.98. But then you're going to get back $4 for Checkout 51 since you're getting 2, as well as $4 from Swagbucks because it's 2, making both of these 98 cents or just 49 cents each. So this is everything that I picked up at the store. Now this totaled out to $23.23, and of course I did use 20,000 points, so I just paid $3.23 plus tax. But then I got back $14 from Checkout 51. I got back $14 from Swagbucks, and I took a picture of this receipt and to fetch rewards, and I got back 232 points, which is equivalent to like 23 cents, making all 7 products not only free but a $5 moneymaker. You guys, this is huge. If you're not signed up to any 3 of these rebates, I will put my links in the description box, as well as I will pin the comment, you guys. That way if you sign up, you will actually make a little more money because it's your first receipt, your first rebates, which will make this even a bigger money maker, you guys. So like I said, it's a limit of 3. I would just go do it, go get the items. Literally I took a picture of my receipt as soon as I got into the car. Yeah, that's it. I'm excited because I love free and I love money makers, and I wanted to get this video out that way you guys can see this information as well. I love you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below, and comment down in the comment section below and let me know if you are able to do these rebates. These are some amazing deals. Thank you, you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.